Okay, final score 16 points po panalo nila. 67-83. Okay, yan po. Ang POG po natin po si Mr. Borlasa.
Look at that. 1, 2, 3, knots. Dito po tayo, sir.
Si Coach King, Rep King, anong rank nilang yun? Anong rank na rank nila?
Hindi, kaya mo naman na, sir.
Pero pasok na sila. Okay, Sir Borlasa, thank you very much po for winning the ball game. Para nga sinigurado for sure, sementado na rin po ang yung place po sa quarterfinals. Now, what to expect now for the in-flights para po sa quarterfinals? Sige po.
Sa quarterfinals, we need to remain focused.
Okay, good.
It's a new stage.
Yes,
So,
a level up na. It's for sure level up.
Hindi po
na.
kami complete, so we're still, kulang po kami. So we're just still waiting for the
Wala pa si Mongcal, si Ariola, si Bustos, si
Si Fred po, si Idol Fred, Idol Gusto, si James din. So we gotta keep our focus and move on towards the next game.
Okay, for sure, Renosco, for sure. I think if you want to choose your enemy or for the quarterfinals, okay, hindi pa natin siya malalaman, pero malalaman after this, for sure, malalaman siya after the last game, kukumpute na kasi yan, malalaman yung final and standing na po. For sure, pasok po kayo sa ano, simentado rin pagkapasok sa quarterfinals. Sige sir, okay. I'll give you 1 minute. Shout out. Sige, your loved ones, everybody. Sige po.
My family back home in UK, and shout out to Lola Daddy. In Jesus' name.
Yun lang. 1 minute yan, sir. 1 minute yan, boss. 1 minute yan.
Shout out po sa mga family ko sa Pinas.
O yan, sige po.
Family ko sa UK.
UK, okay.
Tapos, Lola Daddy ko, yun lang po.
Okay, yan po si Mr. Borlasa. Winner po yan po. POG tingin po. Finals ko po for the team in flights. Thank you very much.